Today, I'm diving into the world of stocks to see if I can predict whether Tesla's stock will hit $300 again. Tesla's stock is one of the most watched and highly traded stocks in the market, and for good reason. As the pioneer of electric vehicles and clean energy, Tesla's success or failure can have a significant impact on the overall market and investor sentiment. Whether you're a die-hard Tesla fan or just a curious investor, understanding the trends and factors that affect its stock price is crucial. Tesla's stock has been on a wild ride lately, with significant ups and downs that have left many investors scratching their heads. Recent price trends show that the stock has been struggling to break past the $200 mark, let alone reach $300 again. Market conditions have been volatile, with investor sentiment swinging from optimism to pessimism in a matter of days. Moreover, Tesla faces intense competition from established automakers and new entrants in the electric vehicle market, which could further impact its stock price. Additionally, investor sentiment has been a major factor in Tesla's stock performance. With Elon Musk's tweets and statements often moving the market, it's clear that investor confidence plays a huge role in determining the stock's direction. Furthermore, the current economic conditions, including trade tensions and interest rate hikes, could also affect Tesla's stock price. Despite these challenges, Tesla has a loyal fan base and a strong track record of innovation and disruption. The company's ability to adapt to changing market conditions and investor sentiment will be crucial in determining its stock price trajectory. So, what could influence Tesla's stock price going forward? For one, company performance will be a key factor. If Tesla can continue to deliver strong earnings and meet its production targets, it's likely that investor confidence will increase, driving up the stock price. Furthermore, the company's competitive edge in the electric vehicle market, combined with its expanding product lineup, could also boost its stock price. Economic conditions will also play a significant role in shaping Tesla's stock price. A recession or economic downturn could negatively impact consumer sentiment and reduce demand for electric vehicles, thereby affecting Tesla's stock price. On the other hand, a strong economy with high consumer confidence could lead to increased demand for Tesla's products, driving up its stock price. Future product launches will also be a key factor in determining Tesla's stock price. If the company can continue to innovate and launch new products that excite investors and consumers alike, it's likely that the stock price will trend upwards. Based on recent developments and news, I believe that Tesla's stock has the potential to reach $300 again. The company's strong track record of innovation, its expanding product lineup, and its ability to adapt to changing market conditions all bode well for its stock price. While there are challenges ahead, I think Tesla has the capacity to overcome them and continue to drive growth. In conclusion, Tesla's stock potential is heavily dependent on a range of factors, including company performance, market conditions, and investor sentiment. While there are challenges ahead, I believe that Tesla has the capacity to overcome them and reach $300 again. What do you think? Share your thoughts on Tesla's stock in the comments below and be sure to check out my other videos for more insights on the stock market.